Hello everyone, I will introduce myself first. I'm Carlo Velasco and this is my partner.
I'm Jurito Gutierrez.
And our topic system is Chocolate World Financial Management. And our topic is can track expenses and income. So let's start. And you can see we have a login form here because this is so very important because our topic is about
Financial management.
yes.
Let's talk about is money.
So input the password and once you log in you will be direct in dashboard and you can see we have a transaction here and we have a table for our expenses and income and we have a total for our expenses and income.
Okay. Let's start how it works for the expenses. I'll give you an example. I need to add for expenses and description is for milk amount 1, 2 and then you can see in the table is the expenses milk amount is 1, 2 and this one for expenses 1, 2 and you can see the total is negative 700 pesos. Why? Because income and expenses is subtract to get the total is if the money come in you is positive or negative. Okay, let's add for another. Okay, income again and for example is ice. I think 5 bags is for 500 pesos. Okay, and you can see the negative is 200 and the ice for some of these 500 pesos and add again for expenses income okay, give a description
Labor.
cups, sample cups, how much is 1.5 for all sizes. Okay, income for income. Okay, and you can see the total of these two is 1,300. Okay, let's add again for expenses. Bill amount is 20,000 add and the total is 18,700 pesos and add again for income for shop for monthly is how much monthly? Okay, 50k because in a day is 2k. Okay, it's a 50k 1, 2, 3 or 50. Okay, it's the as you can see the table is green for income and this gray is for expenses. Okay, for example we need to delete this one ice or sample ice. Okay, the ice will be vanished like that and we need to go to SQL log and then you can see the transaction is another history of the transaction. Okay, and then the amount Okay, let's add again. Let's add for a kind of sample is flavor worth is 5k. Add and go to SQL, refresh, income.
You can
Let's
see.
see, expenses is, as you can see, the expenses, labor, worth amount is 5,000. Okay, and then we're going to this one, and the total of positive coming the shop for milk tea, chocolate word. Oh, sorry. Okay, the total is 25,800 pesos. Okay, and next for the, I call my partner Calo Velasco.
That's all, guys, for our system, because our system is not super big system.
Where
Our
that is
system is for automatically for addition and subtraction.